just like you probably guessed from the title and thumbnail. Today we're going to talk about something that looks a bit strange, but is actually one of the healthiest foods you can eat. Yes, I'm talking about black garlic. It may look burnt on the outside, but inside, it's soft, sweet, and packed with amazing health benefits. Most people know about regular garlic, but black garlic takes it to a whole new level. It's made by slowly fermenting garlic, which makes it easier to digest and even more powerful for your health. In this video, I'll share 8 amazing benefits of black garlic that can help your heart, lower your blood pressure, support your brain, fight tiredness, and much more. So, if you're someone who wants to live healthier using natural foods, make sure to watch this video till the end. You'll be surprised how one small clove can do so much for your body, especially benefit number 8. Number 1, rich in antioxidants, fights aging and chronic disease. Black garlic is a true antioxidant powerhouse, and this is one of the biggest reasons it is so good for your health. Now, you may be wondering, what are antioxidants and why do they matter? Well, every day, your body is exposed to harmful molecules called free radicals. These can come from pollution, unhealthy foods, stress, or even your own metabolism. Over time, free radicals damage your cells, causing inflammation, aging, and chronic diseases like cancer, heart problems, and diabetes. That's where antioxidants come in. They help neutralize these free radicals, protect your cells, and slow down aging from the inside out. Black garlic is packed with these powerful antioxidants, especially one called S-allyl cysteine SAC. What makes SAC special is that it is easier for your body to absorb and use than the compounds in raw garlic. In fact, during the fermentation process, black garlic's antioxidant content becomes 2 to 3 times higher than fresh garlic. These antioxidants work like bodyguards for your cells. They reduce wrinkles by protecting your skin, support your heart by reducing inflammation, and even lower the risk of cancer by stopping abnormal cell growth. So, eating just 1 or 2 cloves of black garlic a day can help your body fight off disease, look younger, and feel more energetic. It's a simple, tasty way to protect your long-term health naturally. Next, number 2, lowers blood pressure naturally. One of the most impressive things about black garlic is how well it helps to naturally lower high blood pressure without the side effects of medication. High blood pressure, also called hypertension, is often called the silent killer because it doesn't always show symptoms. But over time, it puts pressure on your heart, damages your arteries, and increases your risk of heart attack and stroke. So, how does black garlic help? Black garlic is rich in a powerful compound called S-allyl cysteine SAC. This compound helps your blood vessels relax and widen, allowing blood to flow more easily. When your blood flows smoothly, your heart doesn't have to work as hard, and that helps reduce your blood pressure. In fact, a study published in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine in 2018 showed that people who took black garlic extract every day saw a significant drop in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure after just 12 weeks. Plus, black garlic also reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in your blood vessels, making them stronger and more flexible over time. The best part, it does all this gently without making you feel tired or dizzy like some medications can. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day can help your body manage blood pressure in a safe, natural way, supporting your heart without any harmful side effects. Next, number 3, improves cholesterol levels. Black garlic doesn't just help lower blood pressure. It also helps improve your cholesterol profile, which is key to protecting your heart and blood vessels. We often hear about cholesterol, but let's break it down simply. Your body has 2 main types: LDL bad cholesterol, which builds up in your arteries and increases heart disease risk. HDL good cholesterol, which helps remove bad cholesterol and keeps your arteries clean. Black garlic helps by reducing LDL and increasing HDL, making your blood flow smoother and your heart work better. In one study from Phytotherapy Research 2017, People who consumed black garlic for 12 weeks experienced a significant drop in total cholesterol and LDL, while their HDL slightly increased. This shows how black garlic supports overall heart health naturally. How does it work? The fermentation process creates powerful antioxidant compounds like S-allyl cysteine that prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Oxidized LDL is what sticks to your artery walls and causes blockages. By preventing that, black garlic helps keep your arteries clean and flexible. And here's the bonus. Unlike statin drugs, black garlic supports cholesterol control without muscle pain or liver stress. If you've been told to watch your cholesterol, black garlic might be the most delicious and natural way to do it. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day can make a real difference. Next, number 4, boosts immunity. We all want to stay healthy, especially in times when viruses and infections are all around us. One simple way to strengthen your immune system is by adding black garlic to your daily routine. Black garlic is loaded with natural compounds that help your body fight off illness. One of the most powerful is called S-allyl cysteine, which becomes more active during fermentation. This compound works by stimulating your white blood cells, the cells that protect your body from germs and disease. Think of it like this. Black garlic doesn't just boost your immune system. It helps it become smarter, faster, and stronger. In fact, research has found that people who take black garlic regularly have fewer colds, get sick less often, and recover faster when they do catch something. It also helps reduce inflammation in the body, which keeps your immune system from getting overloaded or burnt out. The best part, black garlic is gentle on the stomach and doesn't give you that strong garlic smell. You can enjoy it sweet, tangy taste, and your body will thank you for it. Just 1 clove a day can help you stay healthier, stronger, and more protected all year long. Number 5, helps regulate blood sugar, natural support for diabetes, and energy control. Black garlic isn't just good for your heart and immunity, it is also very helpful for keeping your blood sugar levels balanced, especially if you have diabetes, prediabetes, or struggle with energy crashes. High blood sugar over time can damage your nerves, kidneys, eyes, and heart. But black garlic offers gentle, natural support for maintaining healthy glucose levels. First, black garlic improves something called insulin sensitivity. That means it helps your body use insulin more efficiently. So sugar from your food goes into your cells where it belongs instead of staying in your blood. A 2019 study in nutrition research and practice found that diabetic rats given black garlic had lower fasting blood sugar and better insulin function. While more human research is needed, early studies show that black garlic helps the body handle sugar more effectively. It also slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. That's great news if you often feel tired or sluggish after eating. So if you want stable energy throughout the day and better long-term blood sugar control, eating 1 or 2 cloves of black garlic daily can be a smart, natural choice. Next, number 6, supports brain health and memory. Helps you stay focused and think clearly. Have you ever forgotten someone's name, lost your keys, or felt like your brain just isn't working like it used to? Don't worry, many people feel this way, especially as they get older. But black garlic can actually help. Black garlic is full of special antioxidants that protect your brain. These antioxidants reduce stress and damage inside the brain, which helps you think more clearly and remember things better. One of the key compounds, called S-allyl cysteine, helps improve blood flow to the brain, bringing more oxygen and nutrients. This keeps your brain cells healthy and working properly. Some studies have shown that black garlic can even help with learning and memory, especially in older adults. It may also help prevent memory loss over time. And the best part? It works gently, with no side effects. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day can support your brain in a natural way. So, whether you're a student, a busy worker, or someone who wants to keep their mind sharp as they age, black garlic is a simple and healthy way to help your brain stay strong. 7. Enhances liver health and detox. Give your body a fresh start. Think of your liver as your body's personal filter. It works 24/7 to clean your blood, break down fats, flush out toxins, and keep your body balanced. But just like any filter, it can get clogged over time, especially from processed food, alcohol, stress, and pollution. That is why giving your liver a little support can make a huge difference in how you feel. And black garlic is one of the best natural ways to do that. Thanks to its powerful antioxidants, especially S-allyl cysteine sac, black garlic helps reduce inflammation and protect your liver cells from damage. It doesn't just protect, it helps your liver heal and work better. Studies have shown that people who took black garlic regularly had lower liver enzyme levels, which is a sign that the liver is under less stress. It's especially helpful for people dealing with fatty liver or mild liver problems. But even if you're healthy, black garlic can give your body a gentle daily detox. No fancy juice cleanses needed. Just 1 clove a day can help your liver do its job better, so your skin clears up, your digestion improves, and your energy levels rise. It's like giving your body a fresh start every single day. Next, number 8, improves gut health. And here we are, our final and perhaps most comforting benefit of black garlic. We've saved a powerful one for last. Let's talk about your gut. Because when your digestion works smoothly, everything else feels better. Your mood, your energy, your immunity. And black garlic is like a gentle friend for your gut. Unlike raw garlic, which can sometimes be too strong or cause discomfort, black garlic is soft, fermented, and kind to your stomach. It's full of natural prebiotics. These are special fibers that feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome doesn't just improve digestion. It boosts immunity, reduces inflammation, and even lifts your mood. Studies also show that black garlic has antioxidants and fermentation process help reduce inflammation in the gut lining, which is great news. If you suffer from bloating, gas, constipation, or acid reflux, just eating 1 clove of black garlic daily can support your digestive balance, helping you feel lighter after meals and more regular throughout the day. So if you've been struggling with stomach issues or just want to feel more in control of your health, black garlic might be the gentle, natural helper you've been waiting for. And that wraps up our final benefit, but don't go anywhere. The conclusion is coming up next, and it's something you won't want to miss. You've just seen how something as humble as black garlic can protect your heart, sharpen your brain, support your liver, balance your blood sugar, and even bring back that lost energy you've been craving. It may look dark and mysterious, but inside, it's packed with life-giving power, antioxidants, natural healing compounds, and deep nourishment for your entire body. And the best part? It's gentle, sweet, easy to add to your diet, and just 1 small clove a day is enough to make a difference. Whether you're looking to prevent chronic diseases, feel younger, or simply wake up each morning with more energy and peace of mind, black garlic can be your silent healer. So, what are you waiting for? Start small, 1 clove a day. Let it work its magic quietly inside you, 1 day at a time. In a few weeks, you might just notice your body thanking you with more energy, better digestion, a clearer mind, and a lighter, healthier you. And remember, sometimes the most powerful things come in the smallest packages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthcare One for more powerful natural health secrets like this. And hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. That could change your life. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health, 1 black garlic clove at a time.